Hi guys, today I'll be talking about how to withdraw from Minenaira. It's actually a very simple process. What you're seeing now is my screen, and it's on Mozilla Firefox, and I'm browsing in incognito mode. Just to be clear, I had earlier made a video on how to navigate the whole Minenaira thing and how to use the whole incognito mode with Mozilla Firefox. So it's pretty easy. Check out the other video. Right now, this is my home page, and I haven't logged in yet. They have 195. Wow, man, this is growing. Like, this is amazing. A lot of people are joining every day. It's amazing. People are making money, and they have mined up to 1.1 million naira. Wow, this is so much. Anyways, what I'm going to do now is log into my dashboard, and all you need to do is click this menu icon here, and click on login. When you click on login, you know I'm going to input my username now. That's my username, and my password, uh and password for, oh shit, you guys are not actually supposed to see it though, but anyways, I'm logging in now. It's taking a little while to log in. I don't know why. Probably network is bad. All right. I'm in, and this is my dashboard area. As you can see, I've mined up to 30,332.25020 naira. Amazing. I need some accolade. I deserve some accolade, and all you need to do now is click on this withdraw money button, and it takes you to that page. Okay, we're in that page now. There's a big notice here. It says please be very careful here so you don't lose your money. Only Nigerians are allowed to send bank account details, which includes your bank name, bank number, and account name. Foreigners, please submit only your PayPal email. Now, providing wrong information will make your order rejected and you lose your money. So you have to be very careful, and you also need to know that Minenaira pays you 30 to 50% of the revenue you've made. Alright, so all I need to do now is impute the amount, which is 30,000 or above, depending on how much you've mined. In my case, I've mined up to 30,000, and that's what I'm going to request for. So yeah, you leave the option the way it is, and you put your payment information. So my bank name is GT Bank. Bank name is GT Bank. Okay, I think I'll just keep it simple. Just write GT Bank, put the account number. You need to know your account number, it's very important, and probably type of account, savings. So this is all. Okay, I think my name, the name of the account as well, the name of the account. I'll just take away the savings, keep it simple. What is happening with my keypad? I'll keep it simple, so I'll take the savings out. All right, and that is that. What I need to do now is click on request, and once I click on request, the request will be made. Alright, so this is the message you get: success, your payment request was successfully received. Now this is here you see that the status of the payment is pending. Now you need to understand that you don't place your request more than once. It is important, or your money will be cancelled. Now you need to also follow this pattern that has been placed here. Your bank name first, your bank number, and your account name. It is important that you follow that for Nigerian users, and for foreign users, make sure you only put your PayPal email. Now the status is pending, and I'm going to do another video when I'm paid so that you see how it works. So check out my other videos. Thank you.